everybody, welcome back. I am doing another review on my curly hair, and like I had said before on my other YouTube videos, if you've been watching, what I decided to do, I've been doing hair, like I said, for like 20 years and two salons traveling. So what I wanted to do was let my clients actually see me, because a lot of times, because I do love buying extensions, I will change up um, my units a lot, or how I'm wearing my hair. And I know a lot are concerned over curly hair. How does it hold up? How does it last? Like, what does it do? So my goal is to keep you guys updated all week long on how my hair is doing and what I'm using in it, so you can see. So, um, like I said before, I put water in it. I took some pictures earlier and I let it be big. I like wearing it like that. And I usually start from, West Day, but if I've been wearing my hair like all day big and I have somewhere to go in the evening, I will wear it the bigger it gets, because I like that. And what I wanted you all to see, and I said this before in my other video, I really like this brush. This brush is excellent on people with natural hair, curly hair. It detangles really good, especially for kids. I know if you guys have seen my grandson and how much hair he has, almost down to his little behind, this brush literally goes right through his hair. Plus the products that I use on his hair is really good, so I don't have any issues with his hair tangling either, because of the products that I use. But this hair is excellent for curly extensions, body wave extensions. Once it's wet, what I like about it is that it tames the curl. So that's why I said even using it on natural hair and curly hair. And because my extensions are virgin hair extensions, I treat them exactly the way that I treat my own hair. And my clients, I have stressed that to them before in the past. When it comes to extensions, you treat your extensions the same way that you would treat your hair. So I use excellent products in my clients' hair, and I'm going to use excellent products in there. That's your choice. Everybody finds what works for them. And when I say excellent products, I'm not saying that they are the most expensive products. What I'm saying is that the products are just good products. So I don't try to use like the cheapest of conditioners. And I'm pretty sure even with this quality of hair, it probably would do really good. It's just being a licensed hairstylist, just certain products I cannot buy. Especially I have experienced or experimented with a whole lot of products, and that's from the most inexpensive products to the most expensive products. So it's not that I'm saying you can't use cheap. It's just sometimes you want to just invest in yourself a little bit and get a decent product. But just so you would know, with my hair, all I did was spray water in my hair. And the purpose of me doing this is because I want you to be able to see how easy it is. And you can see the ends of my hair. I want you to see how easy it was just for me to just go through it, and how this makes such a big difference with smoothing the hair, with just smoothing it down like that. Lately, my go-to hairstyle has been a middle part, and I don't know if that's because I just kind of get stuck in it and it gets easy. But my go-to hairstyle has been a middle part mostly. But what I did want people to see, because I did let you guys know that this is a closure, I wanted you to be able to see that you could part this. You still can part it from here all the way to here. So that was just a short little video that I wanted to bring to you guys. And as you can see how easy this hair is, I can literally get up and go. If I was going to work out at the gym, I can work out at the gym, put in a ponytail, and I can still go to work and be ready for the evening and not have the hassle of worrying about this hair tangling. My product, what I am pushing toward letting people know, you want a stress-free extension. You just want to be able to get up and go. You want your hair to always look cute. So when you walk in a room that you have confidence that your hair looks good and people ask you, what kind of hair is that? I love that hair. So that's what I was just saying I wanted to do. I brought it to you. If you do have any questions, please email me. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe if you've enjoyed watching the video. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Hello, welcome back. So what I wanted to do is come back one more time because I had people asking me, because I do wear it in the middle part, they want to know, am I stuck with that part? No, you are not married to any part in your hair. Even though the what I'm trying to show people is I have a closure on, and the reason why I'm trying to let you see that it's a closure is because I still have some versatility in it. And this is it wet, and this is pulled over. If you want to bond it, like I said before, this is the bond that I use, is Bold Hold. So definitely you can bond your closure if you want to, but I'm just trying to let you guys see you're not married to any part, so you have this much space to be able to change it and how you want to wear it. So no, you are not married to a part. And I don't know why my face looks so shiny. But I just want you to be able to see it. So this is what it looks like if I'm not going to wear the middle part. And of course it's wet, so once it gets dry, it can be a little bit bigger. And again, like I have said before, I do like wearing my hair big. So these are just little updates that I will be doing every week, so you can see how this hair holds up, because I want everybody to, when they get ready to buy this hair, they will be ready to purchase several and tell everybody about it, because you've been able to watch it and see how the hair is doing. So this is it. So keep getting to know it, and then when you're ready, you'll know when you're ready. You'll get it then and purchase it, okay? Alrighty, thanks.